Hi, I want to talk about cleaning. This is Frank Walker. This is a Marriage Minute. I probably have told you before, and you probably remember, maybe you remember, I do a major part of the cleaning in our house. And this is a deal I made with my wife as soon as I got into marriage therapy and counseling. As I had this wild schedule, and so I said to her, hey, listen, I'm going to take care of the floors, the bathrooms. I'm going to make sure the house is clean one day a week. And I just wanted to show you some practical things for my side. I keep all of my cleaning supplies. Oh, I just dropped the brush. I keep it all in this handy little toolkit, okay? And here's the Windex, here's my, oh, I swear by this stuff, and bleach cleaner, toilet bowl cleaner, there, it's all there. And I carry this around me in the house. And it's easy, I keep a couple cloths with me, and hey, it works for me. And maybe it's something that you might want to do, is just have this little toolkit kind of thing here, carry it around, got everything there with you, and it's easy. And you just put it away, and it's done, and that's one of the things I do, you know. I hope it's a good hint for you. And hey, I clean up. You should be cleaning up. This might be a good way of doing it. Okay. God bless. Thanks for watching.